So if you're a seller getting ready to put your home on the market, I know you're wondering, what do I do? How do I get my home to really show well? Well, there's so many things you can do, but today we're going to focus on your closets. So go into your closet, and if you're like most people, you just have stuff crammed in there. So for the purposes of selling your home, I want you to go through and take out, you're going to do several passes. So first, let's take out seasonal clothes. So it's summertime now. If you have your winter sweaters hanging in your closet and you have your boots and all your winter wear, get it out. And if you need to, put it in a box or set up in your basement or anywhere where you have attic space. Get some of those little portable racks and just hang them out of sight. That will help. Then secondly, once again, if you're like me, you have different sizes. We have the big girl and the little girl sizes, those that are a little more comfortable. Take out those clothes that you really can't fit into right now, but you hope to get back to. That'll help clean out another round of clothing. Then I want you to become super hyper OCD. And I want you to take all your husband's shirts and hang all the white shirts together, all the blue shirts together, all the golf shirts together, all the print shirts together, all the black slacks, the beige slacks, you get it. And it will just create this look in your closet that's just amazing. And clean out the floor, and you will be amazed how much bigger your closet will look. You live in your home one way, but you sell it another. So that's why you need to make this closet just look fabulous. It's one more thing you can do to just create that wow factor when you're selling your home.